Ah, yeah. Finally got the Samsung S22. I'm going to do an unboxing. Never done anything like this before, but how hard can it be? This is to take over and upgrade my Samsung S9, which is what I'm recording this with right now. Oh yeah, boy. I'm on the EE network in the UK. Oh, hell yeah. Nice. It's the 256 gigabytes version. Little tool for the SIM card. Take that out. You don't get any chargers or anything like that, so you just use your old ones. I think it's a C connector. Yep. 8 gigs of RAM as well. So this is a massive update from my S9. I know some of the things they held back, but overall it should be a better phone. Well, it is a better phone. Oh yeah, that peel, baby. This is the Phantom Black version. Beautiful. What else you get in the box? Probably sweet fuck all, but we'll see. Paperwork, alright. Ah, they give you the cable at least, so you just need a charging block. So we should see what it's like when you turn it on. Tick, follow, tick, tick, follow, tuck, tick, follow, tick, tick, follow, tuck. Any charging this bad boy? Could be dead on arrival, we'll see. Nope, bit of charge. Then it'll go through the usual setup process. It's my first phone in like 4 to 5 years. The S9 was a beast, it still is a beast. But for the future updates, I'm gonna need a updated phone. I take a little pictures, watch pictures on my watch Insta, the watch mofo, and this has got updated camera, so why not? Looks like it's just gonna go through the setup process. But if you found that interesting, me taking a phone out of a box, then yeah, subscribe. I can't promise any more of these videos. This is the first one I've done, but fuck it, subscribe if you want to. Thank you.